So आज we are going to do binary files. Binary files already we have discussed with no terminator for a line, and data is going to stored after converting it into machine understandable or readable form. That is binary language, zeros or ones. So here we are going to discuss mainly same thing, opening files, closing files, but this time when we will be working with binary files, we need to take care of write mode. R, B. Earlier we were using R for read, W for write, A for append, but this time we will be using RB, WB, AB this way. And same way we will be closing. We have done with text files. Now we are going to do mainly two functions here, load function and dump function. Reading from files and writing onto text files. Moreover, one important thing here is these two functions are not built-in functions. These functions are module based functions, and for this we need to call a module named pickle. So pickle module is needed here to get use of these two functions, load function and dump function. I will be discussing these things in detail in Python ideally. Let's open Python. So here on the Python ideally I will be opening the same way we have done with text files, script mode, and let's see this comment line, use of binary files, use of, we are going to do dump function first, as when we will be performing load function. Before load function we need to create one file. If the file is not existing during load function, we won't be able to get the correct program, even we will get the errors reached. One thing here I like to discuss, EOF, error exception. So let's see first dump function, then I will explain this EOF, error exception. Before this, creation of file is needed. So first thing, import pickle module. This is the module name. We can do import pickle as pk, pc, whatever, but right now I am not doing anything. I am just taking import pickle. We are not taking any alias name or short name for this pickle module. So now please see one important thing, that here we are not going to do one line, two line, three lines as we have done in text files. We will be making use of list, tuple, dictionary, etc. So let's create one dictionary first, and I want to create a dictionary of a student with roll number 1, comma, name, colon. Here suppose I am giving one name, Himanshu. Then expected marks in boards. Let's write expected marks in boards. I want this from this student, let's see, and not only this student, I am hoping from everyone in the class. So let's see, everyone will work and accordingly they will get. Now this D1 I have given the name. Let's create one more dictionary here. This one we can even copy and we can do the time save. Control C. Fine. So same. Utkarsh and roll number we can take right now this way. So I have taken right now 2 dictionaries. We can take more dictionaries, even we can take the values for dictionary from the user. but right now we are declaring two dictionaries. Now it's time to open file, binary file in WB mode. This is very important. So we want to create one stu file. So we have created the object name as stu file. Then equals to open, and here we can give the name as stud.dat, data file we are trying to do, comma WB, write in binary mode. WB here means as. Now let's move to the next line. Right now we are about to use the dump function, pickle.dump. Here this is important. We have to write dictionary name. First dictionary name is D1, comma. What is the name of file? Here stud.dat, but we are not going to use stud.dat file name here. We will be using object file handler stu file. Close it. Same way we will be doing the other. This one, but D1, D2 will be replaced with D2. Dictionary 2. Now we can print one message after the creation of this file. Stud.dat created successfully. So I am doing this. Stud.dat. Fine. This message will come if the file is created. Then we are going to close the file. What is the name of our object here? Stu file dot close. So this is close of file. Let's see what will happen. Run करेंगे, but during run we have to save the file. We will be saving the file. Here binary mode we have, so we are writing one file sb fh sb student binary, any name we can give. So can you see we have got this message stud.dat created successfully. So let's open stud.dat. See, the file is created through Python code. Okay, this will come. So it will show you a file or empty one. Otherwise it's supposed to open a file, some garbled values. The values we are not able to read. Not a file opened in a human readable form. As we are not able to create a binary file in human readable form, then the natural question here is, what is the use? One answer is, when we are creating binary files, we can do dictionaries, lists, tuples, etc. Moreover, the other answer is, binary files are not having any terminator, slash and slash t, etc. And binary files are fastest file type. And not only this, even a file is not readable format. When we are trying to create a file and we are trying to open a file, we are not able to read data from that file. But during our load function, we can open that file and we can read that file and we can open that contents on our Python mode. Let's see by using load function. So up to now we have used dump function. We will be doing load function. So I will be trying to do the load function here also. Just a minute.